Als Lärm werden solche Höreindrücke bezeichnet, die uns belästigen und missfallen. Lärm zerstört die innere Ruhe des Menschen und macht krank.
Hey you guys, it's Real Life Maniac here. I am drinking a soda. That's so tough. My favorite soda on the planet. Just kidding. Yeah, this is my favorite soda. I wasn't joking. Okay, so what I am going to do is that I promised Jamie, a friend of mine on my Discord server, that I will burp my ABCs and her name. Hold up, let me check this dang thing. Okay. 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 I need something. Okay. I think I needed more soda. Uh, okay. Okay. If I can't do this, I'm sorry, Jamie. Because I think I needed more soda. I need to be more awake. Jamie.
B C E D F E H I J A L N O P Q R S T U V.
Hold on. I just realized that was low. Okay. I'm gonna turn off the music. Oh my god, that took a lot out of me. Hold on, I'm gonna redo that. Hold on, Jamie, I'm gonna open up another can and redo that, okay?
J E
Ooh! I had to force it out. Oh my god, I haven't burped this.
Jamie.
I'm weird laughing maniac for a reason. You see those words down there? Those words. Those words. Those words. Weird laughing maniac. Uh, okay, let me do this again. Okay, Jamie. Ah.
A B C E A B C D E F G H I J K L N O P R S T V X Y C.
Okay, I did it. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was difficult. I haven't done that in forever. And I'm telling Jamie, that was difficult. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. So, I took... Okay. That was a lot of work. Okay, now I'm burping like a freaking genius. I should have had that stuff while I was burping the ABCs. Oh my god, I don't stop because it's starting to hurt. uh, okay, so sorry, I should be talking more. Now I have the hiccups. Fudge knucker. Yes, Jamie, I use curse words like fudge knucker. Ah. Okay. So I love you guys. Stay handsome. Stay beautiful. This is Weird Life of Maniac. Whoa, I drunk all that soda. So I love you guys. Stay handsome. Stay beautiful. My majestic fingers. I will see you guys in my next video. Hold on. Let me get my breath. Okay. I love you. Stay handsome, stay beautiful, my majestic fingers. I will keep you on my prayers if you need prayers. Everywhere I want. No, if you want a very God bless day, you whatever you want. And alright. Look into my eyes. What color are they? They're really green. Okay. This is Noe signing off. Love you. Laters. And here's y'all's Newt Nip.